Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. This video is about the corrective action for the prop trade losing psychology. Uh, you start, think, analyze, plan, try, do again, keep on doing. That is the best way of handling this. Now, I want to include a very clear concept by James Clear within interview with Ed Milet on the trajectory and consistency. Basically, using for me, I was using the consistency rule using the calculator that I took from one of the videos. I made some alternations to it, but I call it the roadmap. So that roadmap give you a consistent loss amount, and also a consistent profit. It can be done that way, but I have not done that yet. It's good in consistent stop loss in the amount of money that you should lose, which is to the trade. It was like for a 25,000, it was $143 a day for 14 days. Okay, so instead of 20 days. So let's hear what the interview.
Better, making these 1% improvements for a couple reasons. The first is it shows you that excellence, a lot of the time, maybe we could even say most of the time, is not actually about radical change. It's about a commitment to accruing small improvements day in and day out. Secondly, and I think this is also crucial, it encourages you to focus on trajectory rather than position. Right? There's a lot of discussion about position in life. How much money is in the bank account? What is the number on the scale? What is the current stock price? What are the quarterly earnings? There's all this measurement around our current position. But what getting 1% better each day encourages is to focus on your trajectory instead. Am I getting better? Is the arrow pointed up and to the right, or have we flatlined? Am I getting 1% better or 1% worse? Because if you're on a good trajectory, all you need is time, right? If you have good habits, time becomes your ally. You just need to let time work for you. But if you have bad habits, time becomes your enemy. And every day that clicks by, you kind of dig the hole a little bit deeper. And so it's very much at the core, it's about encouraging you to focus on trajectory rather than position.
How did you get to 37.78 times better? Like, where'd that ratio